Now we download already the XAMPP package in the WordPress package and ready to install our local web server. Click. As you see, made by Bitnami. And click OK. Click Next. No touch here. Next. The best installation directory, guys, is the Next. And as you see, WordPress for Drupal, for Joomla, XAMPP is for everything CMS. Maybe uncheck this. Next and next. And we will wait after finish this. And guys, this will be pop up. Click Allow Access. And the installing are continued. And finally done. Our local web server are installed. And click Finish. Save. And after install the XAMPP, the application will be added to the, what do you call this area, and it will be start this Apache MySQL. If this pop up, guys, allow access. And also the FileZilla start, allow access to. Let's access the local web server. In Google Chrome, type http://localhost. Click enter. And welcome to the XAMPP homepage. This page, guys, is accessible without internet because this page is hosted to your local computer. Access your database. We will add a database for our blog later in this video. And your PHP info. And let's access the D directory because we installed the XAMPP to the D directory. This is the D directory. This is the XAMPP folder. This is the extraction file. This is an extra trash, guys, from XAMPP. I believe this comes from XAMPP. Delete this, and remain this XAMPP folder. And this is the directories, guys, comes from XAMPP package. And as you see, there are a bunch of folders here. But the important folders here is the htdocs and PHP and phpMyAdmin. Let's click the htdocs. This directory, htdocs, we will be save our WordPress website localhost. And these files are this page, if you have a knowledge in HTML. So, create a folder here for our local WordPress website. iCraft.wp. This is my WordPress blog name, guys. You can enter here any you want name, your name, or your blog name. Enter. Click. Let's test this directory. File view. Test. Rename. HTML. Enter. If you want to see the extension of the file, guys, click view and check this file name extension. It will be show the file extension. Check to edit the HTML extension. Click it. Open with Notepad and let's test this p close p tag. Hello. And let's access this, guys, to our browser. Hit back and rename this, copy. This is the folder, our WordPress localhost. Copy and remove this dashboard, paste, and this is the folder we created, and this file and this file are the same. This is the folder iCraftWP, and click this, and now our file is running in the browser. Hello. Now guys, we will run our WordPress here. Go to desktop, cut, and back to htdocs, delete this, paste, and extract. By the way guys, this software is WinRAR. You can download this free in the internet. Just type in Google WinRAR and install, and as you see, you can extract the zip file. Now guys, the package are finally extract. You don't need this, you can delete this if you want, and this is the inside of the package. Cut this and paste out the WordPress folder and delete this, and this is your WordPress localhost. This is your site name in your localhost. You can add a folder here if you want, any site name, my site 1 without space guys, or this is my website 2, my WP site 2, any name guys. And let's access this guys. Remove this. We access the root directory of iCraftWP, the folder itself, htdocs, click this, and finally the WordPress localhost up and running. English, your language, click continue. And also guys, we create a database first. Go to your localhost /phpMyAdmin, create a database, click this new, create a database name, any name you want guys. I suggest guys use a unique name of this. In this case, this is example, I use the same name, copy same name. But in live guys, I will not use that name. I will use the unique name because this is a local host. That's fine. Create a database, and this is your database. Oop, let's back to htdocs. Click this. Let's copy this guys. Copy, paste, and as you see, the file are duplicate, and rename this and remove this like that. There have a sample config in the WP config.php. Let's edit this in the editor, Notepad++. You can download a Notepad++ guys. Just go to the google.com, type Notepad++. Let's add the database here. What is the database name? The database name we create is iCraftWP. The database name iCraftWP. The default username guys in XAMPP in your local web hosting is root without password. But in the live web hosting guys, we will add a real password, the real username, and the unique database name. And copy this, copy. We already add the database name, the username of your database, and the password if in case it's root, it's blank. Copy this, go to your browser, paste, copy this salt key, copy back to editor and replace this save. Also guys, this is very important, the table prefix. We need to change this in the unique character, but we will do this in the live server. But for now, I'll leave for WP, but we will change that in the live server later in this course. And finally, save, and let's back, and let's reload this. Reload again. Choose the language. And finally, we are in the welcome page. Add your site title and your username, of course. This is an example username and my password. Very weak. I strongly suggest replace a strong password, guys, in live server. If weak, that's fine for local hosting. Your email, of course, email. And because we're in web development, I check this, discourage search engine from indexing, but we will turn this on in the live server. And finally, click install WordPress. And finally, our WordPress localhost installed. Let's access the public side. This is the admin side, guys. This is your public site. And finally, guys, we install our local WordPress to our local computer. In the next video, we will access this. So see you next video. Bye.